Are you an expert in extracurricular skills with a passion to share your knowledge? 50 million creators like you desire to transform their passion into a sustainable business. Imagine, what if learners find you as the top result in Google search? Your course instantly reaches thousands of eager learners. You can earn more with no commission on the sale of your learning activities. You can save time using AI for student management and teaching operations. If you dream of these, we have a solution for you. Introducing Qrencia, an online marketplace for passion development, which can grow your venture into a sustainable business.
Qrencia is a one-stop solution where you can organize, promote, and deliver all your learning activities, which will actually help you scale your business and take it to the next level.
Taking the first step on your journey is easy. Launch your business on Qrencia at no cost. With minimal setup time, you can quickly begin monetizing your services.
Qrencia helps you build a strong brand. It offers you a search engine optimized branding page to showcase your expertise and activities. This way, students across the globe can find you and learn about your offerings.
On Qrencia, you can offer multiple learning activities for people to develop skills efficiently.
Through Qrencia, other than my regular classes, I can even host competitions and workshops, so I can basically engage my students in ways more than one.
But the most powerful feature I found on Qrencia is the ability to give instant feedback to students. Through these nudges, I was able to help even international students, two of whom later enrolled in my course.
Qrencia is a no-commission platform.
Last year, a friend of mine introduced me to Qrencia. It's a total game changer for me. You can build your strong business around your passion and with no commission fee at all. That's right, you can keep 100% of whatever you earn.
With Qrencia, you gain instant access to the global learner community.
With Qrencia, I can easily reach out to students from all across the world. I'm not limited to my local region alone.
Qrencia offers you an AI-powered, automated coaching management system.
एज ए कोच मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम ये आ रही थी कि मेरा जो टाइम है वो चेस कोचिंग के अलावा दूसरे ऑपरेशंस में चला जाता था, जैसे कि बच्चों की फ़ीस कलेक्शन, अटेंडेंस एक्सेट्रा। जब से मैंने Qrencia ज्वाइन किया है तो ये प्रॉब्लम्स मेरी दूर हो गई हैं। जैसे कि फ़ीस पेमेंट के लिए अब मुझे बच्चों को कॉल नहीं करना पड़ता है, ऑटोमेटिकली उनके पास व्हाट्सएप नोटिफिकेशन पहुंच जाता है।
With Qrencia's AI tools, you can effortlessly create marketing content for your offerings and streamline your promotional efforts.
और सबसे बड़ी बात ये है कि जैसे हम टूर्नामेंट कराते थे तो उसमें 150-200 बच्चों की एंट्री होती थी, तो सबका सर्टिफिकेट में नाम लिखना एक बहुत बड़ा चैलेंज होता था। अब वो सब बहुत इजी हो गया है, हम उसको इजीली डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं और उसका प्रिंट आउट निकाल सकते हैं। अब मैं पूरी तरीके से अपने कोचिंग पे फोकस कर सकता हूँ।
Qrencia is more than just a platform. It's a community of experts and learners connecting together to create something extraordinary. We have already empowered 10,000 learners with global experts to pursue their dreams. This year, we aim to become the quickest learning platform with over 100,000 learners and 3,000 plus creators to become sustainable entrepreneurs.
Are you ready to join Qrencia? If you have a passion to share your knowledge and desire to make a difference, Qrencia is the place for you. Don't wait any longer. Join Qrencia as an expert today and start building your dream business around your passion. Together, let's build a world where passion thrives.